What's up, guys? Lifestyle investing. Mike, myself, and we got a special guest.
Zach's in the house.
Zach's in his house.
Special guest.
Dude,
yeah.
I'm excited, man. It's taken us.
You're special.
It's taken like a month to get this guy.
It has taken a while,
I
but
know.
I'm happy. I'm really happy to be here.
I know. I'm pumped too, man. We've never had a guy that's really invested a lot in cryptocurrency.
Oh, great.
yeah, that's true.
You know what I'm saying? Like I've dabbled around with it. I know a few other buddies.
I've heard of it.
Mm-hmm.
You've heard of that?
I've heard of it.
Well, what have you heard, Mike?
I've heard that it can be $1 today, $1,000 tomorrow.
Yeah.
I've heard that some
Oh,
pizza
yeah.
restaurants do accept it.
Yeah, that's absolutely
The
true.
classic:
Yeah.
if you invested $100 in 2007, you'd have 40 million today,
Wow.
right?
Pretty
But
accurate.
then tomorrow
yeah.
we'd have $120.
Yeah.
It's growing. There's no. It
That's
hasn't.
awesome.
Yeah, it hasn't.
$100 in 2007 is $40 million today.
40 million, yeah.
Ugh.
Yeah.
That was
It's either
66
40 or
my
4.
stomach.
It's either 40 or 4.
Yeah.
It's one of
If
those.
it's more than 400, then that's crazy.
It's over a million for
$400.
sure.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
over it's in the millions.
It's pretty
That's
crazy.
Wow.
I know.
Yeah.
That's why it's intense, man.
Yeah.
It's intense. And actually, so I want to lay some groundwork down.
Okay.
Huge respect for this guy.
Yeah.
What?
No, I'm
Don't
just,
shake that. Don't
We'll
shake
do it.
that.
It's all right.
Yeah. No, and I think
Thank you.
I think the biggest reason why is because I don't know anybody that's consistently invested in cryptocurrency as long as Zach has. Honestly, I feel like there's so many people that will try it, then they'll lose money, or they'll get in the game and they'll kind of cash out, they'll double, and then they'll look like 3 years pass and be like, oh, I should have held on. You know, there's not many people that have consistently gone this way. And then now with all of these ICOs going on this past year, where there's been more investments within these initial coin offerings than like the previous decade prior, like times 20. Like there's just a huge bandwagon going on. And to see some
There is.
consistency in such a up and volatile investment, it's cool.
Yeah.
You know?
It is. That's
It's just
exciting.
cool. That's
Yeah.
all I gotta say.
Yeah.
So let's just explain what a cryptocurrency is.
Okay.
I feel like I don't even really know what
No.
cryptocurrency is.
Oh.
If I was going to guess, just having heard about it off the streets, that it's something having to do with a graveyard.
Yeah.
Maybe a skeleton.
yeah.
Yeah, something of that nature.
Yeah.
Is that what?
Yeah.
Dude, you know the one
Cryptology.
Dude, every time I think of cryptocurrency, I think of you know in the Mario Kart game where you hit the box and then a coin comes out.
yeah.
I think of that coin. For some reason, I think of that. I was like, is that a cryptocurrency?
You know why? You know why? Because that's like the main picture they put on like every single news article. It's like they show that coin and then it says B or whatever.
Exactly.
That's literally why. But there's nothing. The coins mean nothing.
I know.
Essentially,
It's not
but
even-
in your mind,
Yeah.
absolutely.
So, like, what is cryptocurrency?
Cryptocurrency is just it's so many things. It's like a new store of value. It's a new asset class. It's like speculative asset. There's no definitive thing of what it
Because
is.
it's a commodity. Too.
Yeah, because it's
Yeah.
commodity. It's so new that people haven't really decided what it is. It works the same way for most cryptocurrencies. For each one, it's essentially a digital asset that I don't want to say. It's a digital asset that works off the blockchain, and I'm sure you guys have heard of that, the blockchain technology.
I mean, I've heard about the blockchain, but I still don't even know what that means.
Oh man, so it just means that there's
Like, I know what a block party is.
block party.
You know?
And I know something
is a block
off the
party.
chain.
Maybe
Block
2
party.
Chainz is at the block party.
Yes.
Off the
God.
chain.
That's where we go.
Yeah, it is off the chain right now. Cryptocurrency, you are correct.
I didn't describe it. I just said I've heard of it.
Oh,
I thought you were gonna sing a 2 Chainz song. real
Yeah,
quick.
Bees in the trap. No, but so also like it's kind of like on some MMO games you can buy pieces of armor.
Yeah.
It's kind of like that in a way where you're trading money for something. It's not. I mean, it exists in a computer,
Yeah.
and then you can sell it. So I mean, it's kind of like that in a way. That's how my brain is making sense of it.
it is. There's just so much, like, the reason why cryptocurrency is so exciting right now is because of the technology behind it.
Okay.
It takes a lot of research to kind of find out about it and believe in it, but the technology is so strong. The technology is a game changer, pretty much, in terms of how finance, fintech will function in, like, the near future.
Okay.
It's really nuts. And I can't explain it all.
Obviously, yeah.
Yeah, but, like, pretty much think about a network of peer-to-peer digital currency. So, like, for cash, it's a trustless system, and you can tell that this dollar equals a dollar because you believe in it.
Right.
Same with Bitcoin, except it's all on this like distributed online ledger, and all these networks are like validating that this is the real thing. And it is so hard to explain, honestly.
No, but
But-
it sounds like it. But in a way, it's easier to explain than the value of our dollar, kind of.
Yeah.
Because they used to have a gold standard and all that stuff. I'm
Yeah.
sure you could look at that if you just type in gold standard in Google, you can figure that out. So yeah, it is kind of it's what we're believing
Yes.
the value is.
Yeah.
So it's kind of the same thing, right? And that's what I've been learning. I've been doing more research about stocks lately, having been hurt. Also, I did buy, and hurt meaning I bought stock, watched it fall.
Ooh.
Yeah, and so it's causing me the pain is causing me to learn more. But then I did buy Under Armour, and I saw
Did you really?
Yeah, I did.
What the
I know, I
heck?
bought it at like 11 something, and it went up like 50 cents a share the next day.
Boom!
No.
There we go. Making money.
Yeah, based on something we talked about last time.
Nice.
I know, so it was really cool. So I'm learning how the stock price has that same kind of whatever we perceive the value to be.
Yeah.
The people on Wall Street, actually on the stock market floor, are the ones creating the perceived value of the stocks.
Yeah,
It doesn't have to do. It doesn't correlate with the revenue because as we saw with Under Armour, they were reporting revenue.
Yeah.
Other stock was going down because it was under the guidance. It was under what they thought
Yeah,
it was
absolutely.
going to go up to. So it's the same thing. What do you perceive the value to be? And that's based on how many people are selling, how many people are
That's
buying. So there's got to be some kind of similarity.
Yeah, absolutely. I
Well,
wouldn't
one
doubt
question
it.
I have too is like with quantitative easing, especially over the last decade and whatnot, with them printing the Fed printing so much money and whatnot, it inflates it. So then essentially, the value of the currency goes down, right?
Yeah.
You have more supply, then obviously it goes down.
Yes.
Can we create more Bitcoin tomorrow? Right? Can we put 1,000 Bitcoin, whatever that means,
Yeah.
out there, and can it decline in value due to that?
So no, because that's what's kind of the amazing thing about Bitcoin specifically in that cryptocurrency is that it's scarce. There's only going to be 21 million Bitcoin mined ever.
Ever.
So in
And we're going to end on that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
But
we're
yeah.
gonna talk more about it in the
Yeah.
next episode.
Dude,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah.
That's power right there.
Cliffhanger.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice.
Right?
Go! Lifestyle
21
Investor,
billion.
Mike, Zach, myself.
Yeah,
Watch the next video, fellas.
that's right.